So today we're gonna make one cube. You can make two if you want, but one cube using a 1-point perspective. It means it's going to be a 3D square. We make a square, then we make it 3D, but we are not gonna make it at 3D like we used to, not thinking about this point. We're gonna use this point. This is 1-point perspective. Perspective means point of view. So it means that everything that you draw on your paper, if you follow the rules, if you connect to this dot, they will look realistic. They will look like it's, they're all gonna look realistic as they are coming towards you from that point, okay? So we are gonna start now. I'm gonna have my vanishing point. That's what we call vanishing point. And then we're gonna make shapes. I'm gonna make a square. And I'm gonna make a rectangle. You can make a triangle if you want. You can make 2 squares. So what we want is to find the corners that we can connect to our vanishing point. So this corner here, I can't really connect because I would have to go over my square, and I do not want to go over because I don't want to make my square transparent, clear. I want to make it solid. So I'm going to connect the corners that don't have anything in between them, anything on the way. So those are the corners that I'm connecting. Okay? Now we need to find the sides that we are expanding. We are expanding this side and this side. So we want to make sure we make a parallel line to this side. Parallel line means lines that will never connect. Like this ruler and this pencil right now, they're parallel. They're not like this. If they were like this, they would eventually connect. Parallel lines don't ever connect. So we are gonna find parallel lines to this side, one parallel line. So it has to be, you go like this with your ruler, you move it like this. And then I chose this height. I could have chosen to make it longer here. It was just a personal choice. But this side here also needs a parallel line. But now I have to stop. I have to make this line when I'll be able to make a corner. Just like here, we have a corner. So I need a corner here. So my parallel line needs to start where the other line ends. Okay, look, it's parallel to this side. So I'm gonna go down here. So I have my first cube, a square, a 3D square. Okay, now let's do with a rectangle. I'm gonna connect this angle, this corner, this corner. I cannot connect both of those corners because then it would go across the shape, and I don't want that. So I'm going to connect only 2 corners, not 3 like I did with the cube. Okay, so now same thing. I need a parallel line to this side. This is the only side I'm expanding here. So I need a parallel line to this side. And I'm gonna choose, right, I use sharp because it's easier for you to see. So I made my parallel line. See how parallel they are? All right, so now it is done.